G'day guys, Adam here, Fenwick Lawns and Gardens again. We have another day and another overgrown paddock. This one is pretty much waist high. I'll spin you around and give you a look. So here we go, this one's actually gone to seed. Really long, thick, overgrown. Another good one for the Canycom. We'll rip into it, let you come back and see the end result shortly. Okay, there we have the finished result on the first cut. For most paddocks, this is satisfactory. All that grass will break down over the next while. We can then come in and do a quick second cut if the client's wanting it a bit tidier. But like I say, rural paddock, 99% of the time, this is more than satisfactory. The Canycom mower really does make light work of these properties. Exactly what it's designed to do, instead of attempting it with a standard ride-on and breaking belts, which is often when people get us in, when they've tried to do it themselves. It's the difference in having the right gear, gets the job done safely in a good amount of time with no damages. See you next time. Thanks for watching.